Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to insert filler text in Microsoft Word. Now this is really helpful if you just need some text in a Word document. Doesn't necessarily matter what it is, but you're trying to do something and it would be helpful to have some text in there. So the first way is to generate Lorem Ipsum text. And it's very simple. So the way to do that is we are going to press the equals key. So equals Lorem, L-O-R-E-M, and then we want to add parentheses, so an open one and a close one. And now if we hit enter, it's going to generate a default amount of content here. Now say you want more content than this. That's not much, you want some pages. So I'm going to Control Z, undo that, and we can actually specify how much content it generates. So I'm going to click in between the parentheses here and say we want 25 paragraphs. So I'll type 25 for 25 paragraphs and then a comma and a space. And then we can also specify how many sentences that we have in each paragraph. So how about we want 5? So then I'm going to click outside of the parentheses here and I'm going to press enter. And there we go. We've got pages. We have 3 pages of content here. So this is really, really handy. Now the second option is very similar. So with the second option, we can generate coherent English placeholder text. And to do that, it's very similar. So we're going to put the equal sign, and then we're going to type rand, R-A-N-D. And then same thing with the parentheses. So if we just want the default amount, we can just enter the open and close parentheses and press enter. And that's going to generate a default number of paragraphs and sentences. And again, if we want to have more content, or maybe less than that, I'm going to Control Z to undo that. We can specify right here. So I'm going to click in between the parentheses. And so say I want 30 paragraphs with 4 sentences. So 30, comma, space 4. I'm going to go outside of the parentheses right there and press enter. And then it's going to generate that amount of content that I just specified. So I've got 4 pages here of coherent English, just generic text here. So you can do whatever you need to do in Microsoft Word. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you thought it was helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tutorial videos. And leave a comment if you like. Comment, question. You all help me with lots of ideas, so really appreciate it. And have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.